Hey, high leveler, do you use the social planner inside of the platform and maybe want to add watermarks to your posts like images and such? If you want to add your logo or a copyright, you can do so using HighLevel inside the social planner. And I'll show you how to do so today, along with multiple watermarks in case you're managing multiple brands or want to change a watermark along the way. My name is Andrew, and let's dive right in. Now, to get to the social planner, you can go to marketing and then social planner and then navigate over to settings. Now in settings, we can see our watermark settings right here. And we even have a notification right here that we can create multiple watermarks. Now, this is an update currently, but if you want to try it out and you're seeing this, you can click try it out now and it will take you to the watermarks page. All we have to do is click add watermark and then we can create our watermark here. So the first thing we need to do is upload an image. If we're using a logo on our social media post, and this is a perfect time to do so. So we can click upload, we can upload our logo, select it, click insert media, and then this will upload our watermark. As you can see, this is what it will look like inside of our social media posts. We can then add a name. So we'll do HighLevel as the watermark name, and then we can adjust things like the appearance, the transparency, the scale, all sorts of stuff right here. And we can customize exactly where it's going to show as well on our social media posts. Now, this is exclusively for photos right now. This isn't supported with videos due to an API restriction, but we can use this for photos in order to add copyrights, logos, things like that to our social media posts, which is really useful. We can then select a specific social media account to apply this watermark to. So here's our one Instagram account. We can just check it, and then this will then be added to this watermark in order to put this onto all of the posts that we make inside the social planner for this account specifically. We can then click create. We will now have our watermark created. You can see an image. You can see which social profile it's going to right here, and then you'll be good to go. Now we're talking about multiple watermarks, so let me explain how this works. As you can see in this account, we only have one social media account connected to our HighLevel social media planner. So we can't add a second account for different profiles. For example, a watermark on a LinkedIn post, you want to look different than a watermark on an Instagram post or a Facebook post or a TikTok post, things like that. You can customize which profiles have which watermark. Now, in this example, we've got 5 different accounts connected to our social media planner. So if we go to watermark here on this screen, then we'll be able to add multiple watermarks by clicking add watermark, going through the same process. And then as you can see here, we've got these 3 different logos we'll use for our watermarks. So we can create one watermark like this. We can apply it to one social media account. And then since we have multiple accounts here, you can see we can now add another watermark for another account. So we can do this whenever we're managing multiple businesses or multiple profiles using the social media planner, which is really helpful. So just like this, you can see we've got multiple watermarks. Maybe we want to have them in different locations, like on LinkedIn, we want it in the top left, on Instagram, we want it in the bottom right, different things like that. And just like that, we can have multiple watermarks inside of one sub account, inside of one social media planner, which is really useful. If you have any questions about watermarks inside the social media planner, feel free to leave a comment on this video or refer to the rest of the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.